Show you guys how to remove this entire antenna. I'm gonna remove it. There's gonna be a big hole here, but I am actually gonna put a pod light here instead. It's not gonna get in the way of the snorkel because the stem's gonna be quite a lot shorter or skinnier. Right now the snorkel I got, this is screwing with me, so show you guys how to remove that. And personally, I think the car's gonna look way better without it. And then the snorkel's gonna cover that like right there, and you're just not even gonna see that anymore. Cool. Alright. So I've popped out 3 out of 4 of the necessary ones, and then I realized that some people might want to actually see this coming out. You'll see this little indent right here, like this. You can see somebody's tried to do this before and they did it the wrong way. Just give it a couple good jiggles. You just go, jiggle it up, and bam, you got it up right now. You see, it's up. And then just kind of pull it a little bit, and you're good. Part. And now remove, and then we can access the grill. I'm gonna show you guys all that. I gotta remove some of my tools and everything. Got one of these guys out. So when this part is in it, it pushes it fat like this. But when you pull it out, it allows you to pull this little round bottom part out of here. So you gotta separate these two. See how they're separate now? Now you'd be able to put it in and out, and then you can get it out of these holes. I'll get these removed, and then we'll get the grill out of here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep them all somewhere safe. And check it out. Alright, grill is off. Alright. We got that taped up. We've removed that. Got it all out of there. That's the old intake box, because the cold air intake's going to be sitting right around here. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove this antenna. So I'll be showing you what steps I go through, and then yeah. Step 1, I'm going to remove this plastic insert over here. You got a couple things you got to pull out, and however else you got it in there, you just got to get it removed. So you want to get it like that, push it in, shake it out. Motivix trim removal kit. It's an 11-piece kit. Show you how it works. I don't know if you're going to get the best video down here. So that's the one that I'm trying to remove right here. You can see it. So the way you're going to do these guys is kind of just jiggle your way into them. Make sure it gets over it. Pull it forward, pull it back, pull it forward. And the whole trick is to get it to like be like that, and then you want to use this guy. So jam them in there. See how it's there? Just pull them up. Alright guys, there's a little cushion layer in here. I'm pulling that up before I do any of the drilling on the fender. So I would recommend doing the same. Definitely save this. So you'll see up there. Right there. That's what we're removing now. So I'll show you guys how to do it. Guys, quick update. Taking up this fender. You got one bolt here, one bolt here, and then there's one bolt hiding underneath there, and it's a 10 millimeter. So you gotta climb under here too, and you guys will have 2 bolts right there. You guys can see where they were, 1, 2, and then in the bumper, you've got 2 here as well. 1, 2 here. They're all the same size, and then there is a little rubber flap down here. That's all you can see it right there, holding it in, and you have to pop that out, and then you should be relatively free here. So you can see that's what's holding it in, and then it'll come right out. Alright, so we got this out of here. You can see the antenna still dangling. Here it is right here. If you go to the back side of it, you'll see it's like this. So we'll figure out how to remove this. Here it is. I told you to get a better video. Check that out. Hey guys, so I put a vice grip on this, twisted it, kind of screwed it up. If you're more careful, you won't screw it up. we're just trying to figure out how this all works and how to get it off. So this is almost off here. Okay, this is how to remove it. This has been a mission. Remove the whole fender to do this. So this is how you would remove just the antenna. This part just pops out. Honestly, just that would look better. But let's see what I did here. This exposed some kind of threading in there. And I'm trying to figure out how this part pops off. So I'm definitely thinking that that threading has something to do with it. Yep, look, it's loose. As you can see, I've got it loose. I'll keep you updated. Right. So basically, once we got this little silver cap to twist off, this silver cap right here was threaded onto these threads, and that actually held it into the fender. And then you just pull on the back of this wire, and it pops right out. All right, so here's the hole, guys. That's all that's left over there. It's gonna make a perfect little spot for a pod.